Hello friends, good day to you all. I am Anuya Chabukswar. Today I am going to give you information about addiction and its effect on our body. For last 4 to 5 years, I am working on the project of anti-addiction drive. I go to different colleges and schools and there I give the information about the addiction and its bad effect on our body to the children, and I try to bring awareness among them about the addiction. So today, with the help of this channel, I am going to give you the same information. Try to listen to it carefully, try to think over it and decide for yourself that you will never ever go for any type of addiction. Hello friends. Friends, I have told you in the last 7 episodes about all types of addictions and their bad effects on our health. Now you have to decide that you will always remain away from such addictions. You have to decide that you will never go for any addictive substance. And even if your best friend asks you to do so, you will firmly tell him that no, I will not go for addiction or any addictive substance. I have taken this decision and I will remain firm to it throughout my life. For last 4 years, I am working for the anti-addiction drive. I go to different schools and colleges and bring awareness in the students over there about all types of addictions. Some students ask me about e-cigarette. They are told that e-cigarette is not harmful. It is safer than the normal cigarette because it does not have smoke. But always remember that though e-cigarette does not have smoke, it has got nicotine in it because it has got tobacco in it. And nicotine is harmful. It is an addictive substance. And that is why e-cigarette is also harmful and you should not start having e-cigarette, smoking e-cigarette. Some students say that research is done on wine and they say that 1 glass of wine every day is good for heart. Again students, I have told you it before that such statements are very misleading. People who want to earn money from you, they mislead you. They tell you that this is not harmful, you can have it easily and it is good for health, but it is not so. Beer, wine, whiskey, rum, toddy, whatever type it may be, it is alcohol. And alcohol always affects your body. Alcohol always affects every part of your body. It affects your lungs, liver, your skin, joints, bones, even your sexual functioning, your central nervous system is affected, and at the most of it, liver is damaged. And when a person's liver is damaged, his life comes to an end. So any type of alcohol is harmful to you. Students, please remember that in the first episode I have told you about the vicious circle of this addiction. Try to remember it. When you start consuming tobacco or alcohol, at that time the level of dopamine in your brain increases, and after that, after some time, your intake of whatever you have started, it increases. And this is the addiction. Once you become addicted to it, you cannot come out of it. It is very, very difficult for you to quit that habit. There are institutions who say that they will help you come out of it, they will give you treatment and then you will be alright. But this is also not 100% true because You can have that treatment. Some people come out of it, but some go again for the addiction. And that is why, and this treatment is also very costly. So the best way is never to start any addiction or take any addictive substance. I can give you one example for this. Once I went to a junior college and I had my program, I conducted it over there, and after the program, the principal madam, she herself narrated her own experience. She said that her brother, who is an engineer, he is working in a multinational company and there are 200 workers working under him. So he many times saw that the workers, they ate gutka, and he always told them that gutka is not good for you, don't eat gutka. And they did not listen to him. They continued eating gutka. But one day one worker said that, sir, it is very difficult to come out of it. You won't understand it. Now this man, he took the challenge. He said that I will show you, that I will eat gutka first and then I will show you that I can come out of it. So he started consuming gutka and now he cannot quit his habit. Now he has become addicted to it. So in your life, never take such challenges. If you want to get the pleasure or satisfaction, you may feel that when the dopamine level of your brain increases, you can get that pleasure. But there are ways to get that pleasure. You can pursue your hobbies. You can go for outdoor games. You can engage yourself in sports, or you can hear good music. You can enjoy the company of your relatives and your friends, and you can work for the betterment of the society. For example, planting trees. If you start doing something like that, then it will give you pleasure and satisfaction that is far more better than that of addiction. And that is why don't go for addiction, but pursue your hobby and do something good for the society.